Hi everyone, Rose Leacher here for EA 871. And in this recording, I'd like to talk about the topic summary. It's and team presentation. It is the team presentation and team project for the course. Students like this activity. They like working with other MPS students to take a deeper dive into a topic, hopefully one that they like. So let's just review some of these aspects of it. So you can find in LO1, you can find the team topic uh, assignment right here. And there are the learning objectives, and I will form you into teams based on the topics that you rank highest or ones that I need you to fill in for. As the case may be, I try to give everyone what they want, but you know how that goes. Every effort will be made to give you your first choice. To make an informed selection, you should browse the respective foundation reading associated with each topic, and links are located in the assignment pages under readings. So let's just take a look here. Here are the topics by week. And they are due, the topic summaries are due the end of the week in which they are listed. Topics are organized according to the EA maturity levels as described in the IT score article. So that happens to be a required reading for lesson 3, and you can find that reading, lesson 3, right here. And in that reading, it talks about different maturity levels, starting from not having any EA in an organization to having a very mature practice and cutting edge. So what I have done is organize Gartner readings around those different maturity levels as outlined. Most of them are suggested in this article itself. Let's go back to topic summary. So that's where you can find that article to get a background if you want to look at where all these things are coming from. The bolded articles are assigned to all students to read. What you need to do is take that bolded article and develop it further. Maturity level 1, non-existent. Here's the reading that everyone will do. Here's some other sources. What you need to do is go out and find more. Frameworks comes in lesson 0405. Here's the basic reading. For maturity level 2, reactive, here's the reading, and we go through maturity level 3, functioning. Here's the reading, and some readings are longer than others, and some there are multiple readings that everyone will do. So you get the idea. You are, as the team, you are to read the assigned articles, and these form the foundation of your summary and your presentation. That is, make sure to cover the key aspects of these articles. Do, however, supplement the information contained in these articles. See number 2. You are to conduct research on the topic, so you explore other readings from Gartner. You search for additional key articles through the web and the library. Here's a link, a how-to link to get you started. It's got a lot of good information here. Penn State has a wonderful digital library in addition to its resident library. You need to include both practitioner and academic journals, and if you don't know about that, you'll find out. And then you create your presentation. You prepare a slide deck or some other form of presentation, and you want to engage your audience. You want to inform and keep your audience's attention. Do not read. Some students read. Do not read. You may hem and haw around a bit more, but that's all right. It's more interesting. Reading is boring. Listening to someone read, not the best. Everyone in your team should present equally, less if there are 3 members and 12 content slides, 4 slides. You write the topic summary. I will give you an example. I will make visible an example of excellence that you can see, but I have guidelines. Topic summary guidelines. Here are presentation guidelines. Note, do not read. Topic summary guidelines. Here are the sections: key findings, recommendations, description, analysis, recommended readings, references, and there's a word limit. And usually I give this, or I give 1 to 2 paragraphs, or 3 to 5 recommendations. So I give you an idea of what you are to do. And I'm using, as I said in the last video I made, I'm using Zoom. You can use Zoom too, or any platform that you want, but you're going to record your presentation. You're going to prepare a 30 to 45 minute presentation. This will most likely be a slide deck. It is easy to get boring, right? I suggest that you use Zoom, and you're going to record your presentation. I hope that's clear. You're going to record your presentation, and then I'm going to share those presentations with everyone on Canvas, and that will happen. Team presentations and topic summaries. They will be located here, right? And then they will also be included on the exam. So you need to share them so everyone can have access to them. And as we see in week 3, LO3, is when the first presentation will occur. Because this one comes so soon, this one will be available on June 5th. View the team presentation and topic summary, which will take you back to that blank page, but that's where I will be posting those. So, in a nutshell, let's see. I have some examples of excellence. Examples of excellence. What's this look like? No, that's not the right one. I will find the right one. And I will make it visible, and I will point you to it. How does that sound? Here's one. Again, these are not the right topics. So sorry. I'll find some, and I will make them visible. All right. That's it for now. Thanks for listening.